Hello, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a Next application and how you can set up the file-based routes inside a Next application. So first of all, we're going to start by running the command for creating Next application, which is npx create next app at latest. So it's gonna prompt us to give the name of the project that we want, which is we can call it we can say next 01. We don't want to use TypeScript. We are going to use Tailwind for this project, and also we want it to be arranged inside a source directory. For this you can use app router, yeah, the import alias, yes. So our project is done with the installation, so we can move it to the application, which we named it as next 01, and then open our code, our Visual Studio Code, so that we're able to see the files that were installed during the installation and see whether our project is set up successfully. So as you can see here on your left, you can see that there are files that have been installed. We have the node modules, the public folder, which we use to store images, and also the source directory as we set up there, and also the app router that arranges our files in a more organized manner so that you're able to access them easily. So we're just going to run it and see how it is. That's npm run dev. So that what was in use. So when we run this, yes. So now you can see that the project was set up successfully. So this is just but a template. So we are just going to modify it and to our needs so that we're able to tell the difference between uh, the few pages that we are going to create in order to see the routes. So how you set up routes inside Next has a file-based routing system where you just create a folder, and inside that folder you create a file and give it the name of page.jsx or page.tsx depending on the language that you're using. So we're just going to create a folder and call it about. So this will be our about route, our about page, and inside the about we're going to create a file called page.jsx, and inside this file we can have the code. There we go. So we can just give it the name so that we're able to tell the difference. We can just give it this is the about page, and also we can create another one and call it the contact page. And inside the contact, like we said, you create a file called page.jsx. There we go. And then here we can just say h2, we say this is the contact page. Yeah, so let's test it out and see whether it was set up successfully. So we're just going to reload. Okay, so when we say /about, we should be able to see the text that we added. Exactly, here it is. So this means that our route, our about page has been set up successfully. Let's see if the contact page is the same. Exactly, this is the contact page. So as you can see, this is the text that we have just added here. So guys, that is how easy setting up routes in Next.js is. I'd urge you to keep practicing on it, check it out, and it is very easy for your project. So, and if you want to create a nested route, the same process, you just inside the parent folder or the parent route that you want, you can just say description inside the contact page, and inside now the description page folder, you create a file called page.jsx. and then now you can just say this is the description page. You can give it a H1. Contact page, contact nested page. So let's see whether our nested route has worked. We can say description, contact nested page. Exactly. As you can see, it is very easy to set up routes inside Next.js. So that's it for today. Hope we meet next time while doing something else in Next.